Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about, should I sell all my Aurora stock, or should I hold on? I saw a video of Jeremy, and it kind of inspired me in a way to make this video. This video was about sell all your stocks now, you know, a stock market crash. It's cool because Jeremy is shifting his mind from being always a bull to now more protective and trying to build up a cash position. So if and when the stock market crash happens, he will have a bucket to collect money. I mean, a bucket to go buy asset at a huge discount. So how he switched his mind from always being a bull to being more protective is, I think it's respectable, because I've been watching him for a while. He's always constantly a bull, never really talked about the bad, always talked about the good, but now he's kind of shifting his mind to the possibility of a recession coming, a stock market crash possibility, because it will happen eventually. And in this video, after he talked about, I respect him a lot more now than I did before, that he is has a strategy and not just plainly buying stocks and being a bull. So I have a total of 20,000 shares. US shares, the stock price ended on $7.70. I bought it at $1.57. I'm up 386%. I'm not gonna sell unless the stock price goes to 11, 12 US dollars. Then I will shed off 5,000 shares. But until that stock price goes to that price point, I'm not gonna shed any shares off. I'm gonna keep my 20,000 shares. And if the stock price, if earnings come around and the earnings crash the weed market, then I will be adding into my positions. But that's my strategy moving forward. If earnings don't crash the market, I may attempt, like, if Canopy earnings doesn't crash the market and it actually rallies it, then maybe I'll start making a play into Aurora and Canopy again, even though the price doesn't go back to the price I wanted at $40. I might. I'm still deciding. It all depends. Everything depends on what earnings is like. So we'll see though. But I have a really good feeling that earnings are gonna be bad. It's not gonna be what everyone expected to be. Everybody's expecting. I don't know what people are expecting, but I'm expecting not a very good earnings report. But that's just me though. So I'm not planning. I'm actually disappointed in myself because I sold and not followed my strategy. If I only kept 100,000 shares, I would have been happy. I had 160,000. Shedding 60,000 shares should have been enough for me. I should have just left it alone. I should have took cash. I should have left a proportion of my stocks in the market, and then I should have took some cash just in case, instead of getting greedy and cashing out on my positions to hope a stock market will crash. And Donald Trump ended up saving the stock market. I made a video on Donald Trump saving the stock market. He did. He's propping the stock market up with the Fed. He's telling the Fed to prop the stock market up. Central banks. So that's what happened. So anyways, I want to talk about the intuitive investor. He just came back. I saw this video and I'm like, he was a really big fan of Namaste, and now he's like super pissed off at Sean because he did illegal activities. I would love to see Sean actually recover his company back, and there was nothing wrong, and he was falsely accused of doing illegal activities. But that scenario is probably unlikely. We'll see though. We'll see. I find this thing very interesting. I actually want to see Sean try to get his CEO position back, and to prove that he didn't do anything illegal. So Largo Resources Ltd. This is one of my investment. I bought some shares today. I took a gamble. I did not understand what this meant, so I still took a gamble because the stock price dipped. I'm not like, if anybody understands what this means, please comment down below, because I seriously don't understand what it means. I took a gamble and I bought it. This stock could go to $2. I don't know. I'd probably buy more at $2, but you know, like, what does this mean? Like, I don't get it. I read it. I don't get it. Maybe I could email them. But why would I email them? Like, I don't understand this press release. Can you explain it in dumbass terms? Yeah, I don't know. Auxly Cannabis Group. You know, like, it went down today. I get maybe because of the whole bad news press release, but I think, you know, honestly, I think this would just make it an opportunity to buy it at a good discount price. I mean, I'm hoping the stock price goes down even further so I can buy it at even a cheaper price point. But you know, I'm betting on their big pile of cash. They're smart. Like, they saw problems with huge SFD Pharma, got out of that position, and, you know, try to save the rest of the money, because, you know, you don't want just like having a bad investment, and fully investing in a bad investment can really hurt you. And they pulled out just in time, so that's good. And Auxly, you know, they do have some pretty good partnerships. They have some pretty good assets. At least I think so. So it's definitely a stock I'm camping, just because the sheer amount of cash they have. So I'm hoping the stock keeps dipping. Huge. I don't care if this thing skyrockets. I'm probably gonna stay away from it now. Probably not gonna buy it anymore. I just don't see the value in it at all. So the Dow, the SPY, the Nasdaq was down today. There was basically a reporter asked Donald Trump about a trade war on March 1st, and he says no, they won't be making the deal official on March 1st. And, you know, the market dropped from that today, and, you know, it may continue to drop. So I guess the trade war is getting delayed. It's more complicated than, you know, a 3-month thing. Maybe the Donald Trump and Jing can't really come into an agreement, and they're just constantly fighting back and forth. So, you know, that's what I think is happening. It could be happening. We would truly never know, because the government will only press release stuff they want to release. I think. I don't know. Maybe by law, that everything that's going on in the government, they have to, like, put it out on the news. I have no idea for sure, because I'm not really invested into that. I'm starting to get into politics, because this whole you know, Donald Trump saving the stock market, and, you know, the government, the Fed, interest rates. I've been, like, really studying the stock market more closely, and a possibility of a crash. So I would never have done that in the past. I would just be like, la la la, stocks go up, they never go down. That's and I lost out twice on Aurora because that's the mindset I had. But anyways, yeah. Aurora, I hate to say this. Well, I guess I hate to say it because I want the stock to go down, but the chart does show there's an uptrend going, and if it can break 1055 and make new all-time highs, I guess 1080. So if it goes to $11 on earnings, you know, that would be, I would be like, God damn it. I would not be happy, but it does kind of look that it's going up. I'm bearish on earnings. I'll make a video specifically on Aurora's earnings on the weekend, just, you know, on Sunday possibly. Heritage Cannabis Holdings up 33 cents, and the news is retarded. Heritage names new CFO. 13% pop. That's insane. You know, that's just insane. But I don't think it's gonna go up anymore because it's probably in overbought territories right now because it's gone up so much in a short amount of time. So that's what I think. But who knows? I think it's gonna have a pullback of like, I don't know, 27 cents, and then kind of move trade sideways between, you know, 30 cents to 27 cents, and then if the entire weed market rallies up and Cron goes back to all-time highs, the stock may go even higher, maybe, and go back to 62 cents. I have no idea. I think Heritage is kind of a gambling stock. It's a smaller cap stock. The volume was really good on it today. So Canopy's holding up well too. I'm very, very bearish on Canopy's earnings, but you know, maybe because I think badly it's gonna do the opposite. They're gonna come out with horrible numbers, and the stock is still gonna go up. Maybe. Well, I think the revenue is gonna be pretty good, but I don't think the net income is gonna be very good. Canopy Rivers pulled back today on, you know, some kind of pretty decent news that Canopy is injecting an additional $30 million into Rivers. I thought that was, you know, good news, but I guess, you know, more dilution, so shareholders sell. This is definitely a stock I'm camping. So if it drops some more, I'm definitely gonna probably pick up some, swing trade it. So I'm hoping it goes down. Aphria. Not much to say. Kind of just trading sideways. The trend does kind of look like it's going down, but Aphria is kind of also very a unique company because of Green Growth brand trying to take it out. But I think that if the entire cannabis market rallies up, I think Aphria will probably rally back up to $14, $15. So it all depends on the market, MJ market. Right now, the actual stock market is feeling a little pressure from the whole trade war deal. So it might pull back for a little bit. So it might drag the weed market along with it. OGI. Organigram is almost $1 billion company. I guess that's kind of fair. They do have an actual business. They are kind of at like all-time highs right now. They actually have hit all-time highs. 820 almost like almost $8. I don't know, not much I can say about this company. I don't really like their product. I don't even know why I have the chart up right now. And I don't know why I have Man up right now too, but I do. Anyways, let's just see if I can get. I'll try to move this forward along quick. So Disney's pulling back. I was thinking of doing like a long-term call option on Disney. I'm very bullish on Disney for the long term because of the new Disney service they're coming out with, Disney Plus or something like that. And I think it'll directly compete with Netflix, and will actually. I think Disney will destroy. I think long term Disney will destroy Netflix, but Netflix do have some loyal customers. At least I think so. My friend's still a customer, even though he said multiple times he was gonna cancel, he never did. And I know my other friend will never cancel, and all his friends will never cancel their Netflix too. So in a terms, yeah, I think Netflix does, but Disney might change people's minds. So people might, cancel their Netflix, or they might have both. They might have both and just not care. I don't know why I have this up, but that one was doing good on earnings. Apple pulling back. Tesla pulling back, and the market is officially closing, so it just seems like a lot of stocks are pulling back. Aurora pulling back. I thought it was not pulling back, but that's kind of strange. But it's kind of funny how Aurora ended on the 777 US. That's my lucky number. The day I found Aurora Cannabis, the stock price was trading at $1.77. I'm not even kidding you guys. I saw the stock price at $1.77. Kind of blew my mind. Because the day I found AMD was $2.77. So I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you dislike it. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.